Investing in 2025, your path to wealth. Are you ready to discover the top investment opportunities for 2025? In this video, we'll explore how anyone can become rich by making smart investment choices. We'll cover everything from real estate to the stock market and even dive into some more speculative areas like cryptocurrencies and tech startups. The key to building long-term wealth is to start early and invest consistently. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Think of it like this. Even if you're just starting out with a small amount of money, over time those small investments can snowball into something much larger. So whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking for new opportunities to grow your portfolio, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Real estate has long been considered a cornerstone of a solid investment portfolio, and for good reason. Owning rental properties can provide you with a steady stream of passive income, and over time those properties tend to appreciate in value. Plus, there are tax advantages that come with owning real estate that can save you money in the long run. Now I know what you might be thinking. Kobe, real estate is expensive, and you're right, it can be. But it doesn't have to be a barrier to entry. You can start small with a duplex or a triplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others to help cover your mortgage. Or, you could explore real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which allow you to invest in a portfolio of properties without the hassle of being a landlord. The key with real estate is to do your research, understand the local market, and invest for the long haul. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a proven way to build wealth steadily over time. The stock market can seem intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful engines for wealth creation ever invented. When you invest in stocks, you're buying a small piece of ownership in a company, and as that company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your investment grows too. There are a few different approaches to investing in the stock market. You could focus on growth stocks, which are companies that are expected to increase their earnings at an above-average rate. Or you could invest in dividend stocks, which are companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders on a regular basis. And if you want a more hands-off approach, you can always invest in index funds, which track a specific market index like the S&P 500. Remember, the stock market does come with risks, and it's important to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your money across different companies, industries, and asset classes to minimize your risk and maximize your potential returns. Chapter 3. Cryptocurrencies. Navigating the digital gold rush. Cryptocurrencies have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer the potential for high returns, and they're based on revolutionary blockchain technology that has the potential to transform a wide range of industries. But it's important to remember that cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new and volatile asset class. The market can fluctuate wildly, and there's always the risk of scams and fraud. So, before you invest any money in crypto, it's crucial to do your research, understand the technology, and be prepared for the risks involved. Start small, diversify your investments across different cryptocurrencies, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you approach it with caution and a long-term mindset, crypto can potentially be a lucrative part of your overall investment strategy. Chapter 4. Green Energy Investing in a Sustainable Future. The world is shifting towards cleaner and more sustainable energy sources, and this trend is creating some incredible investment opportunities. Companies involved in solar, wind, and other renewable energy technologies are poised for significant growth in the coming years. Investing in green energy isn't just good for the planet, it's also good for your portfolio. As governments around the world enact policies to combat climate change, the demand for renewable energy will continue to rise, driving up the value of these investments. You can invest in green energy directly by buying stock in individual companies or through specialized ETFs that focus on the renewable energy sector. Either way, you'll be positioning yourself to profit from one of the most significant economic transformations in history. Chapter 5. Tech Startups, Seeding the Innovations of Tomorrow. Investing in technology startups is like investing in the future. These early-stage companies are often developing groundbreaking technologies that have the potential to disrupt entire industries. But investing in startups is not for the faint of heart. It's a high-risk, high-reward game. Many startups fail, but those that succeed can generate enormous returns for early investors. To identify promising startups, look for companies with a strong team, a unique product or service, and a large, addressable market. And as always, diversify your investments, invest only what you can afford to lose, and be prepared for a bumpy ride. There you have it. 5 exciting investment opportunities to explore as we head into 2025 and beyond. Remember, the key to achieving financial freedom is to take control of your finances, invest wisely, and never stop learning. Please note that all investments come with risks, and it's important to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching.